जय जय विद्या भवन भारती, जय जय विद्या भवन हमारा, ज्ञान कर्म की ज्योति जगाता, अमृतमय विद्या सरसाता। जय जय विद्या भवन भारती, यहाँ जगत कल्याण सुधा की बहे प्रेम रस धारा, गुण गौरव संस्कृत भाषा का देश विदेशों में फैलाता। जय जय विद्या भवन भारती।
Namaste. In the galaxy of eminent men of India, Kanayalal Maneklal Munshi is a shining star that still beckons humanity to the path of duty and dharma. With the blessings of Mahatma Gandhi and the divine guidance of Sri Satya Sai Baba, Dr K.M Munshi founded Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan on 7 November 1938 as a beginning of adventure in faith. Faith in India's past, present and future. It was aimed at reintegration of Indian culture in the light of modern knowledge.
Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan was founded by Munshi ji with the view of selflessly serving society in the most valuable manner by enriching humanity with a value-based education and preserving the deeply rooted culture of the Bharat, our motherland. The major concern of the great patriot Munshi ji, which led to the foundation of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, was the reintegration of Indian culture by carrying forward the cultural integrity, moral and spiritual values along with the fostering of education and life skills without differences in caste, creed, region, religion or financial status of people even after India had gained independence. Dr. K.M Munshi has in clear terms represented the synthesizing character of our culture and education which makes it resilient and life-sustaining. This all-embracing and unifying force is the soul and inspiration of our culture.
The Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, an internationally reputed institution, is dedicated to the formation of education and culture. From a small beginning, the Bhavans has turned into an intellectual, educational and cultural movement all over India. Today, the name of the institution shines like a beacon and has achieved laurels in almost every field. The Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan strongly believes in perfection and in the formation of a better tomorrow. As emphasized by Swami Vivekananda, out of the past comes the present, out of the present comes the future.
Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan has spread its wings in India across numerous states and also abroad. Besides, it has a number of affiliated colleges and constituent institutions too. The Bhavan believes that there are elements in all cultures which transcends all barriers and knits people together. Its ideal is Vasudhaiva Kudumbakam, which means the world is one family, and its motto is Ano Bhadraha Kradamo Yandu Vishwadaha, which means let noble thoughts come to us from every side.
We, the Bhavans family, whether it is smaller one or larger one, must make every effort in restoring an awareness in these values. Satyam, Shivam, Sundaram. Truth, love and beauty is personal and collective life. Words of K.M Munshi. In the process of discharging our duties in culture, in its threefold aspects of truth, love and beauty, Bhavans ceaselessly continues to carry forward our country's values, faith, self-discipline and dedication, Shraddha, Samyama and Samarpana.
Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, Thiruvananthapuram, was established as a blessed educational institution under the leadership of the great Padma Shri Shuranat Kunjanpilla, the great scholar who made special contribution to Malayalam language, literature and culture, and Sri S. Radhakrishnan Nayak. Today, let us remember with love and gratitude Sri K.M Munshi ji, and also the hard work, sincerity, passion and dedication of every member of our prestigious institution, the leaders, teachers, supportive staff, and students who were part of the successful functioning and completion of glorious 83 years that shone with cultural colors and educational standards. Let us continue to learn and explore the vast world of knowledge, truth, and talent towards gaining educational empowerment and living peacefully with nature. Let us stand united for righteousness, serve our society, and progress with the spirit of preserving our culture and moral values while heading towards greatest achievement. Knowledge is power and education is immortal. Satyameva Jayade. Jai Hind.
सत्य शिवम सुंदर का संगम भारत राज दुलारा भारत संस्कृति कला निकेतन विकसादा साहित्य समानता जय जय विद्या भवन भारती